Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these honey and garlic salmon bites. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. You're always welcome here. Just stay tuned for more.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, for this recipe, I'm using roughly about 450 grams of salmon that I've washed and diced into bite-sized pieces. I've got about 4 cloves of garlic, 50 grams of butter, and a couple of tablespoons of honey. Now what I'm doing now, I'm just going through and patting dry the salmon bites from when I wash them because I want to remove the excess water. Now I'm just going to lightly season these with about half a tablespoon of fish seasoning. Now I'm using the Maggi brand fish seasoning. Now I like to lightly season these because I don't want the seasoning to overpower the taste, because I do want the taste to come from the honey and the garlic. Now once I've done this, I'm gonna go ahead and put in about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now this is just to give the salmon just a little bit of seal on the edges, because I don't want them to break apart, and the cornstarch will just hold them together. So in a pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add about 3/4 of the butter. I'm just gonna let that brown for a bit, then add the salmon. Now I'm going to fry these on each side for about 3 minutes each. Now once I fry them on one side, I'm just going to turn them over. And as you can see from the cornstarch, they've just got this beautiful coating. Now I'm going to let these fry for about a minute or so. Then I'm going to add my garlic. Now I kind of made a mistake here, because what happened was I didn't want the salmon to overcook. So what you can do is, once you've fried your salmon on each side for about 3 minutes each side, take them out. What I did, I started to add the butter and the garlic, and then I thought, you know what, it clicked, like, you know, I'm using salmon, not something like chicken. That salmon's gonna cook really quick. So before you add your garlic and butter, I advise you to take the salmon out first, then you add your garlic and your extra butter. But these still came out beautifully. But if you don't want to have overcooked salmon, take them out before you add your extra butter and your garlic. Now once you've taken them out, just go ahead and add your ingredients in. Now I've already put the extra butter and the garlic in here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the honey. Now to the honey, I added about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add about a teaspoon of brown sugar, and this is totally optional, but I went ahead and added about a teaspoon of dried chili flakes. Add about a quarter cup of water just to kind of loosen that sauce up a bit so it's not too thick, and because of the sugar and the honey we don't want it to burn, so just add a little bit of water just to loosen up a bit. Now add your salmon back in and just kind of incorporate all of this. Just get that sauce all over those bites. Now I'm gonna add about half juice from half of a lemon, just to, you know, ease the sweetness a little bit. And not long after, your salmon is ready. Now you can serve this up with some noodles or some rice. Be careful, you know, because boy, this thing is so good, you'll just be picking one and eating and eating. Now, you know guys, I have to go ahead and add a little bit of fresh spring onions or scallions, whatever you call it, and some red chilies. You can also use chive as well. Now this is totally optional, but I find that just lifts it so much and just takes the taste to a whole different level. And there you have it guys, my honey garlic salmon bites. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and leave me a like on this video. And as I always say guys, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit. Only you can limit yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.